Did you know your gut is often called your second brain? That's because your stomach and brain are more connected than you might think. When your gut feels good, your mind feels good, and vice versa. In this video, we're diving into the gut-brain connection, what it is, why it matters, and how improving your gut health can make you feel happier and healthier. Let's get started. Your gut and brain communicate through a network called the gut-brain axis. This connection works like a two-way highway. Your brain sends signals to your gut. For example, when you're stressed, you might feel butterflies in your stomach or lose your appetite. Your gut sends signals back to your brain. A healthy gut helps produce mood-boosting chemicals like serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Here's a fun fact. About 90% of your body's serotonin is made in your gut. So, a happy gut doesn't just mean better digestion. It also means a happier brain. If your gut is unhealthy, it can lead to mood swings or even anxiety and depression. Brain fog, where it's hard to focus or think clearly. Trouble sleeping. This happens because of the gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in your gut. When your gut bacteria are balanced, they support your brain, digestion, and immune system. But poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep can disturb this balance. Here are some signs to look out for: bloating, gas, or frequent stomach issues, feeling low or constantly tired, unexplained stress or mood changes. If this sounds familiar, your gut might need some TLC. Eat more fiber. Foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains feed the good bacteria in your gut. Add probiotics. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut boost healthy gut bacteria. Manage stress. Try yoga, meditation, or even a simple daily walk. Stress negatively impacts your gut. Stay hydrated. Water helps your gut process food and nutrients more efficiently. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep helps balance both your gut and brain. Taking care of your gut is like taking care of your brain, too. Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Your gut health and brain health are deeply connected. By focusing on your gut, you can reduce stress, improve your mood, and feel more energetic. So, listen to your gut, literally. It might be telling you exactly what you need to feel your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching Healthy Care.